how to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hey guys, so wanted to make this quick video. If you guys own a Tesla and you guys park it in the garage, you may have run into this issue, and I kind of finally figured it out. So if you're summoning your car outside your garage, so I'm pretty sure you guys know that you kind of go into summon, and that's when your car gets ready to come inside the garage or outside the garage, or you can summon it to yourself. Now this feature might only be available if you have full self-driving. So for those, that don't see this, you may not have full self-driving. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and reverse my car and out of the garage, and then let's see if we run into that issue or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on reverse, and in my case I have the settings to hold on to it, and as you can see, nothing is happening. Oh, there you go. So I don't have to hold on to mine, I think. And now you can see the car is getting ready, and then it gives up. And it's not supposed to do this, and then this is the error that I'm getting. So let's try it one more time. I'm gonna go ahead and just touch it. Now, the holding on and the just touch it once, that's a setting that you can go ahead and play around, in the settings, depending on what preference you want. So some people like to hold it, some people just press it and want to let go. So in my case, I have this. So it says preparing for someone, and there you go. I think it's going to disconnect it again. It says connection interrupted, someone will resume, and connection is restored. So if you're having this issue, that tells me that your car may not be getting the perfect Wi-Fi signal that it's supposed to be getting. Okay, so now we're in the car, and let's see how much signal am I getting. So it's showing me like I'm getting like 3 or 4 bar, but I don't really trust this guy because I have some other devices in my garage that is barely getting any signal. So how much accurate this part is, I really don't know, to be honest with you. So even though it shows quite a strong signal, this might not be true for you. And one test you can do is bring out your router somewhere close to your car and then try this feature, and most likely it will work. Now, if I turn my Wi-Fi off, I barely get the LTE signal inside my garage. That's just the nature of the beast. It's just not strong enough, for it to catch it inside a garage. I think it's probably my location. I haven't tested it in any other location, so not exactly sure, what can you do about that. But maybe Tesla, when they come up with the 5G signal, it might be better. But right now, my LTE is not that strong inside the garage. So what can you do about this? The best thing I've found so far is using my key fob. So if I use my key fob, it never loses signal because now it's a direct transmission from your key fob to your car. So let's go ahead and try this feature. Hold on to this. And now it's ready. So all I'm going to do is just press reverse, and the car should start backing itself up. There you go. So you can see it works pretty well, when you're using a key fob, versus it's not that good when it comes to. Let's go ahead and bring it forward. And it's working like a charm with the key fob. Now, another thing you have to take into account, if you're having the same issue and you have a strong signal inside your garage, it may not be your car. It may be your cell phone that it's not getting a strong signal for the Wi-Fi. So it could be a combination of both, So you may want to take your cell phone off the Wi-Fi, just leave it on LTE signal, and then try it, because in some cases that might solve your issue. That was one of the conditions that I ran into at a different location, where my cell phone was connected to a guest network and I was trying to control it, but it wasn't really working. And I'm like, why it's not working? And then later on, I found out that the Wi-Fi signal, even though it was connected, the signal was so strong that my cell phone had no connectivity with my car via the internet. So even though the car was getting good LTE signal, it wasn't really catching a good signal on my cell phone. So again, for this feature to work, you have to have good connectivity for your car on the LTE network, and then same thing on your phone. It's just nothing but an internet connection that is controlling your car. So hopefully this solves some of the issues that if you guys are facing on your car. But definitely love this feature. In the garage, it's a no-brainer. Just use your key fob, because you're not really controlling the car left or right, or it's just in and out, right? So it's makes a lot more easier and convenient. I normally leave my car keys in my garage and just control it this way. It's just a lot more easier. So guys, hopefully this video helps you guys fixing your summon mode, at least in your garage. And if you guys like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.